All right. Good evening. My name is Carley Hopkins, and this is my video for the submission of Lab 0 for ENGO551. All right. I'm just going to share my screen here. And there we go. You guys should be seeing my webpage up on the screen. So this is going to be a brief walkthrough of my webpage. I have created a webpage about me. It has 4 pages in addition to the home page and hyperlinks to each of those pages. The hyperlinks here that you can see are created using Bootstrap Grid. As well, the home page is a banner, or it's also called a Jumbotron, also created using Bootstrap. All right. One of our first pages is a list of where I've gone backcountry camping. The list is a little short right now, but it will be hopefully increase in length. I've been to a few of those places multiple times, but yes, still want to make that bigger. Each item in the unordered list is a link to the trail that I took to go to the backcountry site. As well, you can see there is a link to every other page as part of the website. On this page, the background is is a picture that I incorporated that I took during a backcountry hike. All right, the next page I have is sports I do. So this one doesn't look like it has too much on the surface. However, you can see once again all of the all of the hyperlinks can be seen here. There's a picture that I took while hiking. Um, as well, it includes an additional style sheet link using the CSS selectors, hashtag ID, .class, group selector, and star and element. As well, it uses the properties background, so to set the background color, text align, font family, color of font here, as well as border bottom. So underneath the header, there's a nice, lovely border surrounding the page. Yes. As well, so then our next page, we have my top 10 favorite albums. This is set up as a table. It has the rank, album name, artist, album cover. The header of the table is in a different keystroke, or this in bold, as opposed to the regular text below. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Taylor Swift. Again, along the bottom, you can see a listing of all of my links created using Bootstrap. Let's go to places to scuba dive. So this page is special as it used SCSS on the scuba page. It included SCSS variable via text align, nesting to set the background color, and inheritance to create a button. As well, you can see there's yet another table incorporated here listing by the scuba dives that I hope to go on. It should also be noted that every page, let's go back to this page, when minimized should remove the border around the edge of the page, but when fully maximized, there's a thin pixel border around the edge. This is just an example of how the media element was incorporated into the project via style sheet. This is linked to every single page, but that would be the page that it is most visible on. All right. I'd like to thank you for watching my video, and for more information on the code I used, you can check out the GitHub link that I included in my submission along with this video. All right, have a good night.